Alignment is good. Lock in sequence Charlie 9.
Roger that. Commencing automated torque sequence.
Adjusting the trailing edge gives us better stability here.
Rerunning the thermal simulation now, the results look promising.
Confirmed. This design is validated.
All values confirmed within tolerance. We have a pass.
Great. Send it through.
This is the moment of truth. The high-revving inline-four engine fires up, and the initial data climb confirms the precision engineering of the ZX-10R. Precision is paramount. Specialized tools secure the rear shock linkage, calibrated to exact specifications before the crucial compression test. The fuel tank is precisely mounted and secured. Technicians then initiate the pressure test, ensuring a perfect seal before the tank is certified leak-free.
Here in the fitment bay, Technicians meticulously hand-fit the carbon composite panels. Using gap gauges,
All diagnostics passed. No fault codes present.
Calibration looks perfect. Ready for QC.
The brake performance test simulates extreme conditions. As the brakes are applied, the ABS modulates the pressure, ensuring precise control and preventing lockup.
The laser alignment confirms the geometry is spot on. Now we log the final sag values. This climate-controlled environment prevents corrosion. Technicians carefully place dets and VCI sheets.
Pallet 4B scanned clear.
Confirmed. Ready for export documentation.
This deviation at calibration stage 3 is causing the bottleneck.
I'm documenting the adjustment to the torque specs now.
Looks good. That should resolve the cycle time issue. The Q3 targets are holding steady.
The latest batch measurements confirm the specs. Logging the final data point now. Verified. E-stop sequence 4 engaged. Confirmed immediate cessation.
Noted. The system is compliant.
Look at the uptime on the assembly line. Green across the board, exactly as projected.
The predictive alert is still active.
Look, it's downgraded to green. I'll schedule the service window now.
scan confirms the lineage of these fasteners.
And the system shows full traceability back to the supplier lot. It's intact.
The new workstations ensure optimal neutral posture, drastically reducing the risk of fatigue.
Route confirmed. The shipment is officially scheduled.
Check the CPIC on line 3. We had a brief excursion.
Rerunning the averages now, looks like it's stabilizing.
Confirmed. Back within tolerance. Archive the snapshot.
The calibration tag on this torque wrench is up to date. Looks good. No anomalies on the assembly sequence.
All right, Station 4B approved. Finalizing the audit.
Check the calibration sequence. It's holding steady now.
Deviations collapsing to 0. We are fully synced.
The scanner validates the final links. With the map now locked, the status officially flips to closed.
Materials check complete at Station 4.
Good. The engine block alignment is ready for the robotic arm.
Final calibration checks are confirmed.
Focus on the torque calibration for the carbon components here. We adjusted the sequence.
Understood. I'll monitor it closely. Looks good. Signing off the handover.
Operational excellence is the standard. Robotic arms assemble the ZX-10R with carbon composite components, a steady rhythm of precision engineering.
There it is. Tack time and quality are both best in class. The robotic assembly updates clearly paid off. Let's maintain this momentum for the next quarter.
The engine is holding the load perfectly. The reliability window is green. Noted.
Finalizing the log entry.
Strain graphs are stable. No anomalies detected.
Pass criteria confirmed. The frame holds up.
The ECU is handling the spikes without any deviation.
Phase 3 validation successful.
In the climate-controlled storage area, every Kawasaki component is meticulously monitored to ensure optimal condition.
The global feedback metrics are aligning perfectly with the factory data. Confirmed. Closing the loop on this batch.
Capacity alignment confirmed. We are fully synchronized.
Excellent. Notify the regional leads.
Look at the torque curve stabilization here. Yeah.
That meets the Kawasaki standard. We are clear for sign-off.
The life cycle of every torque wrench is meticulously renewed, ensuring perfect calibration for the Superbike frames.
Sequence is complete, Supervisor.
Confirmed. The data looks perfect. Move to Station 3.
The precision machining of the aluminum alloy frame is critical. We optimize the robotic assembly for the high-revving engine.
The optimized weld path shows a significant reduction in cycle time.
That 12% improvement is exactly what we need.
Let's lock in these new tolerances for the engine mount.
Yes, we see the update here. The specs are aligned.
Moving the engine calibration here should clear the bottleneck at Station 4.
Yes, the takt alignment is shifting green. We are balanced.
The automated vision system performs a meticulous validation, checking thousands of data points in milliseconds before the frame advances. Revision 14.3 is ready to publish.
Looks good. The calibration sequence is locked.
Through our global dissemination system, the latest calibration data is instantly shared, ensuring precision alignment.
Through precision machining and robotic assembly, the ZX-10R takes shape, a testament to flawless engineering.
Look at the torque curve comparison on the tablet. The high-revving engine really stands out.
And the robotic calibration data confirms the precision of the assembly.